Hello, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Srijita. Today is Sunday, April 21st. Right now it's 11:53. We woke up a few minutes back. So yeah, let's start today's vlog. Last week we went for shopping. I got few things. I'm going to show you guys that in a few minutes. Right now I'm going to have breakfast. Yes, you heard me right, breakfast. Bread, butter and some poached egg. And what else? Today we will have a late lunch because first reason we woke up late. The next second reason is I'm going to make mutton curry, and mutton curry takes a long time to cook, so that's why we'll have delayed lunch. So yeah, that's that. Now let's get in this video. Hello. So for the, you wanna say hello?
Hello.
For the bread toast we used this French brioche bread. If you guys from USA, you guys never tried this bread, do try it. You will get it in Walmart, and you will not get it in the normal bread section. In the baking area you will get this bread, and it's really taste so yummy. Do try it. My sister recommended me this bread, and then we try it. We both love it. Now I'm recommending you guys to try it out. Do try it and let me know. So yeah. So now it's time to make the mutton curry. I have already washed the mutton. I have cut some potatoes because Bengalis can't have mutton or chicken curry without potatoes in it. And I've also chopped some onion. And now I'm going to make a paste of ginger, garlic and green chili. Now I'm going to add mustard oil onto a pressure cooker. Generally, when I make mutton curry or chicken curry, I marinate it first, but today I didn't marinate the mutton. Now I'm going to add whole garam masala, bay leaf and whole red chili. Saute it for a few seconds, then I'm going to add chopped onion. After the onion got translucent in color, I'm going to add the ginger garlic chili paste into it, and then I'm going to add mutton, and the spices I'm going to use in here is coriander powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, and half teaspoon of turmeric, and 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, and salt to taste. After mixing it all up, I'm going to add yogurt, plain yogurt. Then I'm going to add half cup of water and cover it and bring it to 2 whistles on a medium slow heat. So after 2 whistles, I switch off the gas and let it cool down. Then I open the lid and again switch on the gas on medium slow heat, and then I add these potatoes, and now I'm going to cook it for like an hour. Now for an extra spices, I'm going to add a little bit of meat masala and little bit of garam masala, mix it up, and going to show you guys what we got last week. So we got stuff from Old Navy, H&M, TJ Maxx, and Shomo got one t-shirt from American Eagle. So I'm gonna start with that. Shomo got this t-shirt from American Eagle. Then we got another t-shirt from TJ Maxx, so from Levi's. We got this one. Then I got this t-shirt from Levi's as well, but I got it from TJ Maxx. Actually, Shomo got this t-shirt first, but then he tried out and it was little tight on him, so I thought I can pair it with blue jeans or black jeans. I can tuck it in to the jeans with a belt or something like that. I'm not decided yet, but I'm thinking. So I got one, so we both have the Levi's tag t-shirt, so we can match someday, maybe. So yeah, that's what I got from TJ. Oh, I got two shoes from TJ Maxx as well. First one is this red one, and I got another pair of shoes. It's in black, zip on the back. So yeah, these are the two shoes I got from TJ Maxx. And now I'm going to show you guys what I got from H&M. I got this dress. It's a white dress with black polka dots on it. I got this one, and then I got all black dress. It's a long top kind of a thing. You can wear it as a dress, or you can pair it with the ankle length leggings, whatever you want to do. That's that. And then comes to the Old Navy shopping haul. I got few t-shirts from there. First two are two basic, white and black. That's what I got. Then I got this printed one. It's so cute, yellow color t-shirt, on green cactus on it, the print. So cute. And another one I got this pink color with the banana prints on it. So yeah, that's that. And I also got this camouflage one, but I wore it yesterday. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys already saw that peak. So yeah, I got this t-shirt as well. And I also got this jeans. It's a skinny, super skinny ankle length jeans. So yeah, that's all what we got last week. So this is the aftermath of my kitchen after today's lunch. So I'm going to clean this up now, but first I'm going to put away the leftovers in the fridge, then I'm going to start cleaning. So yeah guys, that is all for my today's video. If you liked it, then please give it a thumbs up and comment down below. If you didn't subscribe to my channel yet, please do subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that whenever I post a new video you will get notified. And yeah, I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Till then, keep smiling, stay healthy. Bye guys, love you all.